Hey, how is everybody doing today? I got one of these cheap Chinese heaters, and like many of you might notice the sound coming from the fan when it's running, kind of like a tick, 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 not the fuel pump. And what I found was when we take the cover off on the back side of the propeller here, you're going to see these little magnets, right about there. It's for what they call a Hall effect pickup sensor. It tells the computer or the board how fast the motor is running. Okay. What we did was one of these magnets was not fully installed into the fan rotor, so we pushed it in the rest of the direction and it doesn't rub anymore. So if your Escobar or cheap Chinese diesel heater has this problem, the air gap on the Hall effects magnets might not be correct.